Vasudevaha, the son of Vasudeva. This glorious Nama, Vasudevaha, occurred earlier as Nama 334 in Shloka 36, and it will occur again as Nama 714 in Shloka 76. The meaning given for this Nama under Shloka 36 was, he who pervades and sports, he is Vasudevaha. This glorious Nama, like the Narayana Nama, is a Guhya mantra, and its meaning should be properly learned from a qualified Acharya. In the current context, Vasudevaha stands for one who is the son of Vasudeva. Everything about Sri Krishna Avatara is wonder of wonders. The Paravasudeva chooses Vasudeva as his father so that he can continue to be called Vasudeva even during his avatara. Contemplate on Srimad Bhagavatam Shloka. Avatirno yadukule griha anakadundubehe vadanti Vasudeveti Vasudeva sutam himam. Thus I descended in the Yadu dynasty in the home of Anakadundubhi Vasudeva. Indeed, because I am the son of Vasudeva, people call me Vasudeva, declares Krishna. Om Vasudevaya Namaha.